In this video, we are going to learn that how to fix the problem that Windows was unable to complete the format. Before moving on, you can support me by liking my video and subscribing my channel. Let me guide. After this, you have to just open the run box by pressing Windows plus R and search here for CMD as an administrator and then press OK. And then you have to just put here some specific commands. The first command is disk part and then hit the enter. And the second command is list space and disk and then hit the enter. And the third command is select space disk and space and then 1 and then press the enter. And the next command you have to put list space and then partition and then hit the enter again. And the next one is select space partition space 1 and then hit the enter. After this you have to just put format fs is equal to NTFS and then hit the enter. After doing so, you have to wait for this completion to 100% and your problem will be fixed after completion this process. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. For more information, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. Give this video thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.